9 Tips for Stress-Free Dining with a Toddler. Introduction. Taking your toddler out to dinner doesn't have to be stressful. Here are 9 practical tips to make eating out with a toddler simple and stress-free. Tip 1. Set realistic expectations. Don't expect too much from your little one. They're still learning the ropes. Tip 2. Choose the right restaurant. Opt for a family-friendly place with high chairs, a kids' menu, or activities. Tip 3. Time the meal. Pick a time that aligns with your toddler's schedule to avoid crankiness. Tip 4. Pack toddler tools. Bring your toddler's own cup with a lid, bib, and child-size utensils. Tip 5. Bring entertainment. Keep your child preoccupied with a quiet toy or a new board book. Tip 6. Clear the dinner table of dangers. Move candles, condiments, knives, and glasses of water to keep curious hands safe. Tip 7. Mix familiar toddler foods with new ones. Order something your toddler likes along with something new to encourage trying new flavors. Tip 8. Make smart portion choices. Order child-size options or share your meal to avoid messes and overwhelming portions. Tip 9. Keep the meal short and sweet. Order everything at once or ask for the check when ordering to minimize waiting time. Conclusion. Remember, eating out with kids gets easier over time. Enjoy quality time with your little one.